everyone, and welcome to AI Makoto Works. Today, I'm excited to show you how to install Dify, an AI application platform, using WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux, on Windows 11. By leveraging WSL, you can run Dify directly on your Windows machine without the need for dual booting or setting up a separate virtual machine, making it much easier to use Dify in a local environment. Now, assuming you already have your WSL environment ready, let's jump right into the installation process. Here is the GitHub page for Dify. To run Dify, you'll need Docker and Docker Compose. In this tutorial, we will proceed with the installation on an Ubuntu environment. I referred to the website below for installing Docker. First, let's set up the Docker repository. Launch WSL and run the command. Next, install the Docker package. Verify that the Docker engine installation was successful. We add the current user to the Docker group to safely use Docker without requiring administrator privileges. Reload the current shell session to apply the changes made to the Docker group. Install Docker Compose. In this case, we will be installing the Docker Compose plugin. I referred to the following website for the Docker Compose installation. Use this command to install the Docker Compose plugin. Verify that the Docker Compose plugin has been installed successfully. Clone the Dify repository from GitHub. Execute the operations listed in the Dify GitHub repository. Move to the appropriate directory and copy the environment file. After that, use Docker Compose to launch Dify. Starting the Docker containers may take a little time. Once the Docker containers have started, access the following URL in your browser. If this screen appears, Dify has started successfully. Right after the containers start, the page may not load correctly, so if that happens, please refresh your browser. Next, register with any email address and username of your choice. And that's it. You've successfully set up Dify on Windows 11 using WSL. With this setup, you can leverage Linux-based tools while still working within your familiar Windows environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.